The one on the bottom.
Yeah, she just was trying to get stuff off of it.
You can grow your own crystals.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, pretty. That'll be fun.
And here.
If we ever get snow, it'd be a good thing to do
Here.
inside when it was howling out there.
Wait, be
All the birds. What was that flying there?
You are. So you it makes silly noises.
Throw it in the trash can.
Hey.
There you go.
What's mine, Mama?
Wait, Lindsay's opening hers.
Let's see what they got.
Did you show Grandma what you got?
Yeah, she showed me. Showed Trent. She's gonna get to grow those beautiful rocks.
No.
One at a time. A beach ball.
I got Grandma, what's mine? And I got what's mine? Candy bar.
Oh. What kind of
Can
candy
you put your
bar?
bracelet on?
Gotta open them.
Is that dessert?
I'll keep this box.
Okay.
It looks good. Hey, Grandma.
It's got your name on it,
What's
too.
mine, Grandma?
Got a pretty bracelet. What else did you
Grandma,
get?
she got a
I
beach ball.
couldn't hear what all you got in there.
She got a beach ball. And I
Oh,
got a
good.
chocolate bar. Grandma.
Great.
Grandma.
Trenton, stop.
Yeah, what's it? Sit down.
You're gonna put it on so you don't lose it?
I'm just gonna set it right there for now. Until we open all the presents.
Okay.
You guys opened up the Bunnicula? You
Yep.
knew who that was from?
Yeah, Brad.
Yeah.
Brad.
It's your turn.
Grandma? Grandma?
Is there one in that pile that's yours?
Grandma? Grandma?
See that one back there with the kitty cat on it?
Here you go, Trent.
Back there? That's from Brad to Trent. I know that.
How you open this? How you open?
Don't tell him. Maybe it'll take him time.
There you go. Get busy on your other ones.
What's
Yeah.
Oh, they're both yours. She's a weasel, man.
That's from Uncle Brad.
Oh, you got a donkey or a horse. Hold that.
Hold that.
Hold that.
Hold it.
What's it say?
Work on it. See if you can get it.
Oh, no. There's tape. Let me get it off. Who's it
I
from?
wouldn't open it. I let him struggle. Maybe it'll be quiet.
You really think so? I don't
Probably
You'd be quiet for
not.
about a minute.
Then you start
Then he'd be
falling.
whining.
Screaming.
Here you go, Trent. Reach in it. Or pick. Got a beach ball. Woo! Both got one.
Wow.
A chocolate bar.
That's the one that went down to
he
visit Brad, is the
Hey, chocolate ball.
And it says this is Santa bar.
Is it made as real Santa?
I think Santa made it.
I don't know.
For me.
If I see a Nutty Buddy, I know it contains real Nutty Buddy.
Trent ratted me out this morning.
You did. But
Yeah.
what you thought?
Jumbo
I
tire.
told Mike what I got him.
Oh.
Oh.
Before Christmas, before we opened
Bet
presents.
there's another thing in there.
He said, how did Santa make Daddy's movie? I'm like, really, Trent?
Wow.
Santa has a production studio. Very high tech.
You want me to help you? Yeah. Okay. Just rip off the tape. Alright, now try.
Whoa!
What is it? A
Placemat?
Oh, Toy Story.
He looks like he's about to cry.
Who?
Trenton, when he did those lips, he looks like he's about
No,
to
he
cry.
just does weird stuff with his
I'm
face.
opening one.
Trent.
Trent. Who's that from?
That's from Toy Story.
That's true. What'd you get?
I don't know what it is.
Read it.
It's a micro-sign, Lindsay.
I knew you were opening that present. I would have told you not to open
Hey,
it.
Grandma, what's mine?
Why?
Grandma, what's
Just like the string for the kite.
Grandma, what's mine?
I don't know, dear.
Trent, my goodness.